Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, about last week, right on Friday, I literally talked about GBP USD actually falling down. Technically speaking, GBP USD is ready to fall. No matter what the news would want to play out, right? I literally told you guys, and guess what? We've got to this fall. The next movement we'll be expecting is still another for probably a little bit of a correction once market opens, a minor correction, not much, then another movement. And this movement will be heading to about 100 to 150 pips movement. So there is more movement we are going to grab on GBP USD. So look for your sell. Do not look for a buy. Look for your sell. Now let me zoom it out. Probably let me see it. Take a look at this. This is kind of like a key level here. As you can see it, on the 4 hour time frame, you can see that this was like I'll call it the resistance level. We can see it, right? Price reacted to this level, right? We saw price reacted to this same level. Price gave us kind of like a little bit of a breakout at this level, which is still a key level. We can see price reacted to this level, and now price is at this level and it is giving us a reaction. That is why I said a little bit of a correction. Guess what? Another movement. So if this correction comes to here and we take this sell, that is about 130 pips. You can see I said 100 to 150 pips bearish move we should be expecting. And again, price is very much likely to break this low. So guys, this week we are still bearish. Now, if you're in case you're interested in high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning, right? If you're interested, I'll be putting a link to my Patreon channel. So just check the comment section. I'll put a link to my Patreon channel. Subscribe to that my Patreon channel. There, I'm going to give you high probability trade. And one of the things is that we are going to trade with us for good 7 days, free 7 days. So within these 7 days, you should be able to make a lot of profit. If in case within these 7 days you don't make your profit, then you can go ahead and cancel your subscription before you pay. You would not be charged. Basically, you can trade with us for free for good 7 days. Give it a trial. The link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section. And if you want to follow me on Telegram, make sure you do that. Follow me on Telegram channel. I'll be expecting you guys. So once again, we'll be expecting a bearish move this week on GBPUSD. So do not forget to subscribe to my Patreon channel so you'll be able to get access to those exclusive content I'll be putting out today.